Let me ask you your reaction to what we heard in Morning Ireland this morning from Phil Prendergast saying that Eamon Gilmore should resign as leader of the party or should go as leader of the party.
I'm here to launch the most modern postcode in the world, availing of the latest technology. We're the only country in the OECD that doesn't have a postcode. It means that we will be able to benefit from the latest technology, and from that point of view it's very good news for business, very good news for An Post, very good news for the delivery of public services. A number of departments will be able to avail of the postcodes, and very good in terms of services like, for example, the ambulance service, blue light services generally. They will be able to now avail of the unique identifier, where every address in the country will have a unique identifier. At the moment, some 35% of addresses don't have such an identification, and that will no longer be the case, and it will add to the bottom line of business and on Post, and it's very good news, and I'm delighted to see you all. Thank you.
Minister, in terms of Eamon Gilmore's leadership, do you support him as leader?
Of course I do.
Do you support Eamon Gilmore being on as leader?
But of course I do.
Minister, we'll just stop you here if that's all right. We're just going to do a quick shot with Liam, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
This is
Good to see you.
Minister, I've seen your ministers decided not to comment on Phil Prendergast.